Hey everybody, welcome to the next part in my settings guide for Twitch tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking all about community management. Hey everybody, today we're going to be walking through how to set up your community in Twitch using roles, activity, and the follower list. So let's get right into it. You want to go down to Creator Dashboard, and then you want to go into Community and drop this menu down. Now you have three things you can do here: Roles Manager, Activity, and Follower List. Roles Manager allows you to assign roles to your viewers. Now, you can assign moderator abilities, and you can assign people to be VIPs, among other things. So every bot that is on your channel is also, or extension is going to automatically be given the moderator. You might actually, you actually have to put mod and then the bot or extension name inside of your chat in order to add it. Another thing you do is have VIP. Now this is just a nice little reward for people that are quite often in your chat, in your stream, and you want to give them a little more recognition, have them stand out, so that way you can maybe prioritize them a little bit more. And you click all roles, you can see that there are three things that you can do: moderator, editor, and VIP. So it's saying right now I have no editors, I have 3 VIPs, and I have 6 different moderators. What you want to do here is you want to hit add new, and then you're not adding a new role, you're simply going to be adding a new person to receive one of those 2 roles. Next down you have activity. This is showing all of the different things that you have done inside of your channel to improve it. You can filter by ad breaks, category, and stream title. And finally, we have the followers list. Now this is showing a list of all of your followers that you follow, not that follow you. And what you can do here is once you hover over their thumbnail, you can quickly add them as a friend. You can whisper to them, which is essentially the same as pinging, or you can unfollow them if that's what you choose to do. But that is it for the community section.